Hi, I'm Sharam, co-founder of DataCue. If you run an e-commerce store with over 50 products, this video is for you. It's very hard to have a simple customer experience when your visitor has so many products to pick from, right? Well, YouTube and Netflix solve this by personalizing the products they show you, in that case videos, based on what you last watched. If you like comedy, they'll show you more comedy. It's far more likely for you to convert if you see something you like. So, why don't we do this for e-commerce? Let's have a quick look at how DataCue works, and I want to show you why personalization is so much more than product recommendations. Alright, so here we are on a furniture store, and it's my first time, so the store really doesn't know what I want. So what it's doing is it's showing me the best sellers. So we've got kitchen, we've got bathroom, and a few selections based on what our customers like to buy. Let's say that I don't want any of this stuff. I'm actually looking for a bed. So let's head on to bedroom. Is something very typical someone would do. Go to your menu and say, all right, this looks pretty good. I'm gonna have a look. And now so far you're seeing pretty standard stuff. You're gonna see some recommendations, some similar products. So in case I don't like that, DataQ will still try to find some other options for you. But we all know that people don't buy on the first day. They'll come back, next week or maybe a few hours later when they're back at home. What we want to do is to recognize that this person wants something to do with bedroom. So when they come back, boom, you notice that we see everything is related to bedroom. So we've picked all the best picks we have for the bedroom here. We've pushed the kitchen stuff down, and we've updated the selections for you right now with more bedroom related items, and we also remember what they recently looked at. This is really effective because most people go to so many sites that they forget how they got to the product in the first place, and we find that this actually increases sales a lot. Let's keep going. Let's say I'm done with my bedroom, and now I come back and I see, you know what, now I actually want something for my outdoors. So I go to outdoors, and I don't know, let's say I want this classic lantern. Again, everything's updated. And now if I come back next week or whenever it is, you notice that again, I've updated everything based on what just happened, but I haven't forgotten that this person also was looking at beds earlier. So in this way, DataQ makes sure your homepage looks completely up to date for every visitor who comes in, and it's unique to each visitor, just like how YouTube and Netflix works. Hope you enjoy it, and let us know if you'd like to do a demo.